So yeah, one thing I've been doing lately is I've been practicing more appreciation and gratitude and thanksgiving. So I've just been saying I appreciate this about you or about anything, and thanking people more, thanking people very present and carefully, consciously, just looking at them and being serious with my energy of gratitude, feeling it good. I've been enjoying it a lot. So like, for example, I'd say like, I'm thankful and grateful for you watching right now. Like, I'm appreciate you watching, so thanks for watching. It's nice that you're joining in with me. It's lovely to share as well. Feels really good. Another thing I've been doing is like more praise and compliments. So those, and another thing I've been doing is just practicing, just sharing more compliments and praise. Like, well done, great job, or you're doing fantastic, or you're awesome, or like nice, just compliments like nice hat, nice dog. It shows an openness and a kindness that's available from you, and it shows people that like there's other people who are there in the world being open, kind and friendly and welcoming. It's a good feeling to receive, and it's a good feeling to be and to share. So that's my little tips for today: gratitude, appreciation, saying thanks more, and also praise and gratitude. Praise and compliments. Sorry, a bit distracted. Okay, lots of love. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you, and you're awesome.